So let's see today's GFG problem of the day, the night tour problem. So what question says, basically you are given an n cross n matrix, n will be given, and you have to move the knight from the 0 0 position. You have to start from the 0 0 position, and you have to move 2.5 step like knight move in real chess 8 cross 8 in such a way that it should move at any ijth position a single time. We have not to move multiple time in single position. So doing this any number of time, you have to tell if it is possible to visit every position in the given n cross matrix, n cross n matrix. If it is possible, then you have to just return the matrix which is possible, and if that matrix is true, the driver code will automatically return true or false accordingly. So let's see the code. So the logic is quite simple. Like if we see the constraint is n is between 1 to 6, so we have to do purely a recursion. So how we can do a recursion? We know that how that knight move in our chess in the given n cross n matrix, it will move in, you can say, like I plus 2 j plus 1 minus 1. So the four direction and the two direction for plus 1 minus 1. So there will be total 8 possible ways how, like I plus 2, then j can be j plus 1 minus 2. Similarly for I minus 2, there could be j plus 1 minus 1. Same goes with the I plus 2 and minus 2. There is 2 possible way for j, that is minus 1 and plus 1. So there are 8 possibility. So we have to do a recursion call for starting from the position 0, 0, and it will move all the way, and you have to keep track of what position are visited in the recursion as it move forward, because you can't come back to the position that you have already visited. So this thing we have to keep in mind, and we have to run a recursion call. At any point of time you encounter that it is possible to visit every position of the n cross n matrix, so your work is done. You have to just terminate the recursion from that point, because there is no need to move further. So let's see how the code we can write. So let's see the code. I have initialized a temporary vector of vector int. So it is basically I have initialized so as to keep track of if it has been visited or not, and at the same time I will also initialize if it is not minus 1, it will be some positive value, and that will indicate at what time, like if it is 1, then that position has been reached after one move. So similarly their position value is 4, so at that position knight has reached after 4 moves. So I have initialized the function so as to call a recursion. So what this value indicate, the first is row and the second is column, and this is count. Like here it is count. What is count is the after how many move, it is the number of move. Like it is 1, like it will move the first move, knight will move first, like the first move will be for the knight, and then will be second, third. So accordingly I will initialize to my temp. So this is a recursion call. This I have written in order to achieve all 8 possibilities, and this is our new indexes. I'm just checking the condition if it is in the bond, and if it is not minus 1, it means already it has been visited, so no necessary to call the recursion because we can't visit twice. So if it is not visited, I will visit. If it is positive, then it is visited. So there is 2 function that temp is performing. One, we can know that if it is visited or not, and if it is not visited, the positive value indicate the after how many move it has reached. So I am initializing the count to that position. Count stores the how many move it has been done at. So, and I am reinitializing what it was before, because as it is recursion, it has to be. So at any point of time I encounter the number of move is n cross n, that it means it has visited all. So I am initially answer